Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 20. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. What structures link bone to bone at a joint? Ligaments. Blood flows from the right atrium in the heart to the right ventricle. Where does it go then? To the lungs. Give an example of a ball and socket joint. Shoulder and hip joints. Neurotransmitters carry nerve impulses across what? Synapse. Which systems move your body and how they work together? Skeletal system moves your bone. Muscular system moves your muscles that pull on your bones. The nervous system sends impulses to your muscles to move, which then moves your bones. How does blood flow through the heart? Oxygen poor blood enters the right atrium and moves through the right ventricle to the lungs. Oxygen-rich blood from lungs enter the left atrium and moves through the left ventricle, then to the body. One layer of flat-shaped cells with a tile floor appearance, simplest of epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium. Function of simple squamous epithelium. Filter and diffuse. Location of simple squamous epithelium. air sacs of lungs, and the lines of capillaries. One layer of cubit-shaped cells. Cuboidal Epithelium. Function of simple cuboidal epithelium. Secrete and absorb. Location of simple cuboidal epithelium. Ducts of small glands, ovaries, and kidneys. Meiosis involves which kind of cells? Sex cells or gametes. One layer of column-shaped cells has goblet cells. Simple columnar epithelium. Function of simple columnar epithelium. One, secrete and absorb. Two, goblet cells secrete mucus to lubricate digestive tract. Location of simple columnar epithelium. Most of digestive tract, mucous membranes. Single layer of cells of different heights, ciliated. Pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Function of pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Secrete and absorb cilia trap dust and debris. Location of pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Ducts of large glands, most of respiratory tracts. 2 or more flat cell layers, most common stratified tissue. Stratified squamous epithelium. Function of stratified squamous epithelium. Protects against abuse and friction. Location of stratified squamous epithelium. One, linings of esophagus, mouth, vagina. 2, outer portion of skin. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.